Hi guys, it's Katie from Yarn Society, and today we're going to do a super quick tutorial on how to make an increase. In Amigurumi, we usually start out with about 5 or 6 stitches in a magic circle, so it'll look something like this. You'll look at your pattern to see exactly how many stitches you'll need. Most likely in round 2, you will start with your first increase. And for your first increase, you'll want to place your hook underneath that first stitch of round 2. For today, we're going to make a single crochet increase. We are going to make 1 single crochet into that stitch, and to complete our increase we are going to go back underneath the same stitch with our hook and make a second single crochet to complete the increase. Now we have 2 single crochet into the same stitch. To make your second increase, you'd go into your next stitch, make a single crochet, go back into your same stitch again, and complete a second single crochet. So for any increased stitch, you would just make 2 stitches into 1 stitch. I hope that helps. If you also need a tutorial on how to make a magic circle or a single crochet, I'm going to put those down in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel as I have more crochet tutorials and crochet alongs coming up.